Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brielle and I hope you guys are excited about this video because I am seriously excited about it. If you keep up with Anastasia, you would know that she is coming out with, and I believe yesterday 2 of these products did drop. She's coming out with a couple new collections and a couple new products, and I actually received some of them in PR this week. So basically what the gist of this video is going through an unboxing. I actually have a lot of the products on my face right now, so I can give you a little bit of a first impressions on it, but let's just cut right to it. I'm not going to do a big intro. I just really want to show you guys what I got because I am so excited. Personally, my biggest thing that I was really looking forward to in this collection was their new Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, which I actually have on my eyes right now. And this palette might be probably one of the best palettes that they've come out with in a while, since the Mario collab, which is probably my favorite Anastasia palette. So basically this is it's really big. This is the box that it came in. It's a huge rectangle black box, but I like that it's like just like plain and very simple, especially for the collection, because I think the collection is super beautiful. So in the palette, actually I'll show you guys what it looks like inside of the palette. I just am like scared that like things will start falling out. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. So we have the palette right here in the middle. They actually sent me a cute little picture frame that actually came broken, but I'm sure with some hot glue I can fix that. And then a cute little crystal that almost has like a cute gold embellishing around like the crust of it. So we're just gonna open all this together. Like I said, I have the eyeshadow palette on my face already, so you know that I've already opened the palette. But this is what the packaging looks like. And like most of the Anastasia's palettes, it has that velvet kind of feel to it, which always gets so dirty for me because I am such a klutz when it comes to doing my makeup. But hopefully I can try to keep this one in a little bit nicer of a condition. So, woo, the brush fell out. So right here is the inside of the palette. It includes some essential matte shades and some glam shimmer shades as well. I think there are 5 shimmer shades, and then the rest are matte, and there's 13 shades altogether, just like any normal palette that they do. The reason why I was really excited about this is because they're kind of promoting it as a bridal palette. If you know me and you know my freelancing career, I am in love with doing bridal parties. That's kind of what 2018 has been the most for me, was trying to do as many bridal parties as I possibly can. So when they said that this was being marketed as a staple for any freelancer that like loves to do bridal glam, I was like, okay, I'm totally with this and I need it in my life. And these palettes are definitely exactly what it markets as. There are a bunch of neutrals, there are a lot of pink shades, and then the shimmers for the lid really tie in that like total bridal glam look. So I'm really excited to keep this palette and actually use it for my bridal clients, because this palette is just going to look beautiful on everyone, and I can see that it can be universal for like all skin tones. For the sake of the video and the PR, I just wanted to show you guys what the crystal looks like, which I am absolutely going to display in my studio somewhere. I'm going to find like a cute little place for it, but it's really nice, and I always like how they always like throw in like extra little goodies for their PR people. So really in love with that. So on to box 2. We have the whole collection of their new matte bronzers, which I am super excited about. I love bronzers, and honestly when they're matte, I normally try to use them actually as contour shades, which is what I did today. And I know some people are like, but bronzers aren't meant for contouring. I don't care. I am very fair, so I can make almost anything work as a contour shade. The one that I have on my face right now is Rosewood, and this is what the bronzer looks like. It's a very warm tone. I like to go more warm with my bronzers personally, but they do have some cool tones in this collection as well. Like I said, there are 6, and I believe there's 2 for each skin like tone. So it's like 2 for light, 2 for medium, and then 2 for darker skin tones. This is another light one. This is in the shade Cappuccino. This one is in the shade Tawny, which is a really nice medium color. Then we have Saddle right here, which is again another medium skin tone. And then the 2 dark ones are named Rich Amber and Mahogany. And then this is what Mahogany looks like. Even though it's marketed as a darker skin tone, obviously this is still on the lighter side. So for my darker skin ladies, these bronzers are definitely not going to work for you. And then this is Rich Amber. So all of these are actually super, super beautiful, and a lot of them are going to be going into my kit because obviously I don't need all of these to be like mine specifically. So the 4 that are for like medium and dark skin tones, they're gonna go right into my kit, and I'm gonna put some really good use to them so they're not just sitting and collecting dust. Here we have the last box. This one is totally matte black. It's got like the embellishing in black. And then on the inside, we have their new liquid lipsticks. So there are 11 liquid lipsticks in this collection, and I was really excited about this because I have been eyeing up this shade in particular, which is Requiem. So it's like this like tealish blue emerald. It's really like an emerald color that has like a really nice like sheen to it. So I was really excited about this, but obviously I love my nude shades. I did like some swatching and stuff. Ooh. It just fell out. On my lips today, I'm actually wearing Bohemian, which is this really nice, pretty red color. It's very warm. Then in the middle of my lips, I actually have the shade Pure Hollywood, which is probably one of their top selling liquid lipsticks from like a previous collection that they released, like their original like OG shades. So I really like these. The formula isn't different, and I honestly actually really love the applicator. I like that it's flat because I can just go like right in on both sides when I apply. I already like was doing swatches earlier and I already took them off. So I actually am just going to go ahead and re-swatch everything because I want you guys to be able to look at these shades when, I don't know if these released yet. I know that the palette released on the 14th, and I also know that the new Amrezy highlighter released on the 14th as well, which is actually what I have on my face right now. Basically, my face is just made by Anastasia, and I don't feel bad about it. So this is Grim. It is a muted down, it is like a muted down kind of gray tone liquid lipstick. This shade is definitely not going to be meant for everyone. Personally, I really love gray tone lipsticks, so this is definitely going to be something that I really know that I'm going to be able to incorporate into some of my looks, but like I said, it's not going to be meant for everyone. Next in the collection, we have the shade Malt, which is a really pretty name for this because it kind of reminds me of like a milk chocolatey color, but it's very warm. So I think this will look really pretty on like darker skin tones. I don't know if this is a color that I'll be able to personally pull off just because it is so brown toned, but someone can definitely make it work. Next we have this shade Poet, which is more of a plummy color in my opinion. I actually really, really like this color. This is a color I know that I'm definitely going to be wearing at some point. It's really, really, really pretty. Like, this swatch really doesn't do it any justice. It is almost like a pinky plummy tone. Like, other than that, I don't really know how else to explain it, but I really do like this liquid lipstick color. Next, we have the shade that I actually have on my lips right now, which is Bohemian, an off brick red color. And that's what I have on my lips right now. And this color obviously shows up super more intense on me because I am so fair. But on like tan skin tones, like I can see this being like a super pretty like going out color. The next shade we have here is called Bittersweet. This is another cool toned lipstick. That's what this one looks like. And then we also have Dazed, which is very close to Bohemian, except it is just a smidge lighter and a smidge more pink, which is almost the color that I wore today, but Bohemian was just really speaking levels to me. Next we have Hudson, which is going to be more on the nude side, but it is almost like a little bit more peachy. That's probably how I would explain this. Just a little bit more peachy. And this is definitely a color that I know that I'll wear because I really like those kind of like yellowy orange tone nude colors. And then for the funky blue colors that they threw into this collection, which I actually really like that they didn't just stay like super like neutral tones and stuff like that. We have Insomniac on the right, and then we also have Requiem in the middle, and then on the outside we have Nocturnal. And like I said before, I was really excited about Requiem because I like that it has almost like a shimmer kind of finish to it. But I'm really excited about this Nocturnal color because I do not own any type of like deep blue liquid lipstick color. So definitely excited to see how I can like use that for a look. But even this color, this Insomniac color, is really pretty as well. So all these blues are definitely, I think, if you like to be a little bit more colorful sometimes, you can definitely make these like super powerful for any type of look. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little unboxing PR from Anastasia. I promise that I will only be doing PR unboxing now for you guys to be able to look at the new collections and stuff like that, because I don't know why I have been doing it this whole time, which was really stupid. If you were definitely going to purchase something from this new release collection of assortments of things, I definitely would recommend the Soft Glam palette, because these neutral tones and everything in here are definitely worth having in anyone's like makeup junkie collection, whatever. So thank you guys again for watching my video. I will see you in my next one, which I hope will be soon, even though I am constantly busy and live a really hectic life. But I will make an attempt, like I always do, to try to be frequent, even though it can be difficult for me. But other than that, thank you guys so much for always supporting me, and I will see you next time.